My bed is so uncomfortable. I can't sleep, and the ocean is too busy. Over here is quieter. I wonder why. Huh? Shark! That's why! Phew! I got away. Maybe somewhere on the land will be quiet enough for me to sleep.
Yay! Boat Percy coming through!
Huh? Boat Percy? Whoa!
Whee!
Phew! That was close. Oh, why is everywhere so busy? Maybe I can sleep in this truck.
Okay, Diesel, loading your cargo into this truck now.
Loading cargo?
Bubbles, what are you doing?
Running away now. Phew. Oh, maybe I can sleep under these trees.
Squawk! Bubbles can't sleep. Squawk!
What? Oh, I can't sleep next to this noisy bird. Where can I go that's nice and quiet?
I've got my cargo.
Whoa!
Express coming through.
Whoa!
Don't mind me, I'm just pulling some milk.
Whoa! Oh, so many fast-moving trains. Maybe the best way of getting some rest is to hide. I'll hide in this truck. Oh, it smells lovely in here. Here is your truck, King Funling. I put some delicious cakes in it for you. Thank you, Chef Funling. I'll definitely need them. Queen Funling's not very happy with me right now because I used her crown as a basketball hoop. So these cakes will make her forgive me.
Hi, King Funling. Ready to go back to your palace?
Yes, Thomas. What?
Oh no!
Thomas is escaping with the cake truck. Oh no! Without the cakes, Queen Funling will never forgive me. We need to get them back.
I'll catch Tom. Cranky, block the track. Will do, Thomas. There. No, Cranky, you were too late. You let Tom go and only blocked me. Oh, whoops. Sorry about that, Thomas.
Oh great, what do we do now? I can rescue your cakes, King Funling. Tom won't be able to resist my candy. Yes, while he's distracted, I can uncouple the cake truck. Why is Tom suddenly going so fast? I don't know. Maybe this peach and rocket fuel candy split him up.
Peach and rocket fuel? Oh, no wonder he's so fast now. How are we going to catch him?
I don't know, but we need to be quick because he's heading towards his tunnel.
Uh-oh, if he goes in there, we'll lose the cakes forever.
And Queen Funling will never forgive me. That was a good sleep. Bubbles, help! Who said that? Me, the truck. If Tom reaches his tunnel with us, we might disappear in it forever. What? Uh-oh. Oh, I'll try to uncouple us. Got it! Phew! We did it! Yay!
Oh, look!
Bubbles saved the day! Huh? Yeah, I am a hero. I can't thank you enough, Bubbles. You rescued my cakes. How can I ever repay you? Well, I would love a new comfortable bed. Of course, you deserve it, because today you are my hero. Aw, thanks.